Hi, this is a short instructional video of how to set up the channel auto configuration feature of the model 2700 DMM switch unit from Keithley Instruments. Okay, so let's say we go to measure resistance inadvertently, and it's measuring the 100K we have on there. And then we say, oh, I want to close channel 1 because I know it's going to be in DC volts, so I'll hit close, single, channel 1. Well, wait a minute, it's still on K. But remember, in the scan, we set it up for DC volts. How come it's not in DC volts? That's because the channel auto config feature was not enabled. Let me show you. First we'll open this channel. If we were to hit Shift, Setup, and just go through until you see channel auto config, we hit yes. Enter. Okay, so now if we were to set up our scan, let's do that again. Very simple. Shift, config, simple scan. Go through twice. Let's see if it works. It runs through nice and smooth. Okay, we can recall it. There's the data. Just like before. Shift, halt, stop the scan. Okay, so we go to ohms inadvertently. Say, oh, but we wanted to close channel 1. Close channel 1. Single. 101. Boom, went right back to DC volts, even though it was in resistance. So that's the channel auto config feature.